Good day everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Princess Antinar. Together with my group mates, Randelin Pagalan, Christine Jan Mejorada, Bianca Cuarteron, and Karen Curada. My topic is Constitutional Commissions. Objectives. Familiarize with the functions of the Constitutional Commissions. Compare and contrast the Constitutional Commissions. Show the importance of the Constitutional Commissions. Appreciate the function of the Constitutional Commissions. Introduction. Constitutional Commissions are independent bodies established by a country's constitutions to oversee specific areas of governance. They are designed to operate independently of the executive, legislative, and judicial branches, ensuring accountability and transparency in their respective domain. There are three constitutional commissions: Civil Service Commissions, Commissions on Elections, and Commission on Audit. Familiarizing with the functions of the constitutional commissions. Protecting fundamental rights and freedoms. Constitutional commissions play a crucial role in safeguarding the rights and freedoms enshrined in the Constitution. Dapat may ato gayod right and freedoms granted by a country constitutions are upheld and protected. May aksab nato na ma-check on government power, preventing abuses and ensuring citizens liberties are safeguarded. Ensuring fair and impartial elections. Electoral commissions are responsible for conducting free and fair elections, registering voters, overseeing campaign finance, and resolving elections disputes. Dapat may ato gad responsible, dapat fair kita tanan sa kung mag-election na, dapat fair gid tanan. Hadyon mag-register ng voters, overseeing campaign finance, and resolving election. Promoting good governance and accountability. Commissions tasked with overseeing public service, auditing government finances, or combating corruption play a vital role in promoting transparency and accountability government. Commissions focus on good governance, monitor public service, audit government finance, and combat corruption. This promote transparency and accountability in government, ensuring that public funds are used responsibly and that public officials are held responsible for their actions. Mag-focus kay kita sa commission, dapat dayaw gid nato pagka hadyon good governance, monitor public service, then audit government finances, and combat corruption.
So, good day. I am Christine Jan Mejorada. I will be talking about the comparing and contrasting constitutional commissions. While constitutional commissions share the common goal of upholding the Constitution and promoting good governance, their specific functions and mandates differ. So here are the three the constitutional commissions. So all these three commissions, the Civil Service Commissions, CSC, the Commission on Election, COMELEC, and the Commissions on Audit, share the overarching goal of upholding the Constitution and promoting good governance. However, they achieve this through distinct functions and mandates. So the first one is civil service commissions. The civil service commissions focuses on the public sector workforce. Its responsibilities include ensuring a merit-based system for hiring and promotion, recruiting qualified personnel, and maintaining ethical standards within the government. The core idea is to have a competent and ethical civil service. And the second one is the Commission on Elections. COMELEC is responsible for the integrity of the electoral process. This includes organizing and conducting elections, registering voters, and resolving election disputes. Its primary functions is to ensure fair and honest elections, protecting the democratic right to vote. And the Commission on Audit. The Commission on Audit is the government is auditing body. It audits government accounts to ensure that public funds are used efficiently and effectively, preventing fraud and corruption. Its role is crucial for financial transparency and accountability in government spending.
Hello everyone, I am Randall Pagalan, and I will discuss the importance of Constitutional Commission. So here are some key reasons why Constitutional Commission are important. First is promoting accountability and transparency. Constitutional Commission hold the government accountable for its action and ensure that it operates transparently. They investigate allegations of corruption, abuse of powers, and human rights violation, bringing this issue to light and holding those responsible to account. So, promoting accountability and transparency is sila ang mag-investigate ng mga issue sa government. For example naman, corruption, abuse of powers, o human rights violation. So, the second is protecting fundamental rights. So, Constitutional Commission are crucial for safeguarding the right and freedom of citizens. They act as a guardian of Constitution, ensuring that government actions comply with its provision and that citizen right is respected. So, sa protecting fundamental right, sila ang mag-act ng guardians sa Constitution para ma-ensure ang government action na citizen right are respected. So, the third is strengthening democratic institution. Constitutional Commission contribute to the overall strength and stability of democratic institution. They promote good governance, ensure fair election, and uphold the rule of law, creating a more just and equitable society. So, sa strengthening democratic institution is sila ang mag-promote ng good governance para ma-ensure ang fair elections o ma-uphold pa ang rule of law, mag-create ng more just, equitable society. So that's it. Thank you. Appreciating the function of Constitutional Commission is essential for a healthy democracy. It involves understanding their importance and upholding the Constitution, which means tagapagbantay ng Constitution. Sila ang magtiyak ng batas o mga aksyon ng gobyerno na may sunod siya sa pangunahing prinsipyo o mga provision na nakalagay sa Constitution. Promoting the good governance. Promoting good governance by ensuring transparency, accountability, and fairness in government operation. They conduct audit, investigation, and review to ensure the republic resources are used efficiently and effectively. And the last one is promoting the rights and freedom of citizen. Siya kabalaan mag-investigate ng mga complaint ng mga tao o magtaguyod
for the protecting of this right. Here are some ways to appreciate the function of Constitutional Commission. Stay informed about their activities, engage of public discourse, support their independence.
Here are some ways to appreciate the functions of constitutional commissions. Stay informed about their activities. Follow the news and reports on constitutional commissions to understand their work and the issues they address, like tuning into traditional news sources, listen to news podcasts for us to be informed and aware of these things they are working on these days. Engage in public discourse. Participate in discussions and debates about the role of constitutional commissions and their impact on society. Participating in these activities will help us gain knowledge about their work. Support their independence. Advocate for the independence and integrity of constitutional commissions, ensuring that they can operate without undue influence where a person takes advantage of another person's weakness or vulnerability to persuade them into making a decision. And so, we need to be knowledgeable of these activities and functions of the constitutional commissions in order for us to appreciate them. Conclusion: the Civil Service Commission, Commission on Audit, Commission on Accountancy, and Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, are essential for good governance, citizen rights protection, and maintaining public trust in the Philippines. Their functions promote meritocracy, transparency, and ethical conduct, contributing to a just and equitable society. Thank you.